What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I have something for you guys, something special. I will be coming out with a cooking series, and we will be starting it off with a pasta. It's a sausage pasta. Really quick, really simple. I cut some sausage up. I have those mild sausages, Italian sausages, bell pepper, onion, cheese, and rotini. So we're gonna boil our noodles. 11 minutes. And we're going to saute those bell peppers and onions with those sausages. You don't need a whole bell pepper or a whole onion, just some to give it a little, flavor. Don't forget to add your seasoning as well. And child, let me tell you, ain't nothing like a refreshing Seagram to top that off. All right, now, so we're gonna take them sausages and we're gonna throw them things in a pan, and we're gonna take the regular sausages that I have and we're gonna throw them in the pan too, just like that. And we're gonna brown these until done. The pasta's done, so we're gonna take our hunt pasta sauce, I can't talk, and we use the garlic and herb. And this is what it should look like. It's really good, child. Use a little garlic powder, black pepper, and grated topping. Grated topping is something that you can put in like a lasagna dish. Also, I have my steakhouse seasoning that I use on everything. So we're gonna put those together in a casserole dish. I didn't know what I was gonna say, but we're gonna put them together in the casserole dish. We're gonna get a little, shredded cheese, and we're gonna throw that thing on top, and we're gonna put it in the oven. And baby girl, we put it in the oven for about 10 minutes on 400, and this is what it came out to be. I hope that this was a quick, easy recipe for you guys. This is simple, easy, and just stay tuned for the rest. Thanks. Have a great one. Thanks for watching.